Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, please don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video on this channel Injection Football TV. So make sure you like. So the new data updated you today is that Hugo said on Gaston Sirino. I know that Gaston Sirino is a very good player. I know also that he can be very good, very important for Kaizer Chiefs, but he is not really the types of the player I want, Hugo said. Secondly, he is 30 years old. I was looking for monthly to have somebody else for Tembazwane because of his age. So I don't go to take another older player. No, I want to find young players than Gaston Sirino. Even though he is very good player, but it doesn't really match my idea of football. So if you are new here on the channel, please don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video, and please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.